Good morning, everyone. In this video, you're going to watch how to do the tasks for today. So the first thing you need to do is to log into your online classroom. Click on CLB Afternoon English class, and then scroll down and click on the teacher messages. Now, find the message for today, which is Friday, April 16th. Okay, so here's the message and the tasks you're going to do for today. But first, please watch this video to see how to do the 4 tasks. And then open on the first task. So this is a dialogue between 2 colleagues. Please read the instructions carefully. Listen to the dialogue. After you have listened for the first time, then here you will see 7 new words from the listening. And here you will see the definitions, the meanings of these words. So I want you to match. So you could just drag and drop. Drag and drop. Okay. The meaning of these words and then press check. So you have to click on check at the end. Then scroll down and there's another matching. This is not a matching activity. So here, these are some steps from the listening. So you're going to go back up and listen to the dialogue again for the second time and then come back. Here, there are some steps from the dialogue. You need to put them in order using the numbers 1 to 6. Now, number 1 is done for you. So this is step 1. You need to find the other steps. So for example, write the number. For example, this is 2, this is 3, 4. You have to put them in order from 1 to 6. And these 2 steps, there are some missing words here. You have to fill in the blanks with some details. And then you check your answers. Then scroll down. The last exercise in this practice is to find the part of a speech of these words. So are they nouns, verbs, or adjectives? Now, for example, the first one is done for you. Orientation is a noun. So these are some words again from the listening. You can again go back up, listen to the conversation, find the words, and then see what you think their part of speech is. So for example, I don't know, just write noun or verb or adjective for all of them and then click check. So this is the first exercise. When you finish this, you go back and click on the second task to practice imperative verbs. Now here, so you need to choose the correct verb for these sentences. There are 8 sentences and then you will go to the next exercise. So let's say, for example, the first one, blank warmly so you don't get cold outside. It's snowing. Well, you need an imperative verb. So the answer is dress warmly. And then, so the answer is correct. Click OK and you move on to the next one. So just do these 8 sentences and then go back. Then click on task 3. Now, task 3 is about prepositions for describing where things are on a web page. So first, study this box here, read this, and then try to answer these with in, on, or at. You can also listen to them if you like. And then at the end here, you can check your answers. Go back, and finally, The last task is giving instructions. So this is similar to what you did yesterday. Yesterday, you were supposed to give instructions on how to log into your online classroom. This is different. This is about how to read teacher messages. So click here. Okay. So you're going to give instructions to your classmate about how to read the teacher messages in the online classroom. You need to write down the steps and you need to add details. Please remember to use imperative verbs or modal verbs and use sequencing words like first, second, next. You write your, for the topic of your answer, you write, for example, Jessica's answers, and then you scroll down, you click here, add a new discussion topic. So again, you write your name here, so you write Jessica's answers, for example. Then you write the steps here in the message. And when you're finished, you're going to post it to forum. After you have posted to forum, I'm going to do it as an example. You will see your answers here. If you click on it, you can read your answer again. If there's anything you would like to change, you could just click edit. You have 30 minutes to edit your answers if you like. And then you can, for example, change something and then again, save changes. And you can also, if there's other, so if, for example, both of you have answered here, then you will see two answers. Please read each other's answers. So you can click, you can read your friend's answer, and then leave a comment. So click reply. And then maybe you could say that, so Naima, for example, you missed the second step. The second step is this. So leave a comment for your friend. You could correct them and then post it to forum. Finally, remember that, let me go back to teacher messages. Please remember that the deadline to your work is Sunday night, so you have more time to do today's homework. Okay, have a great weekend and I'll see you on Monday.